Thanks, Catherine. Now I'm going to go over my results from what I found during our replication. Overall, when doing baseline, I wasn't the most successful with staying on task. My baseline average was 51%, and my percentages of success ranged from 43% to 66%. Then moving on to when we started the intervention, the first criterion I selected was 75%, as it was fairly close to 66%. And I was successful at this criterion. My average overall was 78.6%, and my scores ranged from 75% to 82 at my most successful interval, which is part of the reason why I selected criterion 2. I picked something fairly close to that 82% being 85%. And overall, I was pretty successful in this criterion. My average was 92.6%, and I ranged from 86% to 100% at my most successful interval, which was the last session of taking data. Overall, as well as my IOA data for both the baseline and the intervention was 100%, and the treatment fidelity was also 100%. Overall, I found this study to be pretty helpful with replicating it. I found myself being more aware of when I was on task versus not on task. I ended up putting my phone pretty far away from across the room after we finished this, and I've been able to maintain this behavior as the studies that we talked about in the literature review also suggested. Now we're going to go on, and Patty can share her data from the study.